Now our topic is presentation skills, meaning and presentation process. Now we will understand the meaning of presentation skills. Presentation skills refer to the ability to deliver a clear, effective and engaging presentation to an audience. Presentation skills are essential for professionals, business leaders, educators, and anyone who wants to communicate their ideas effectively to an audience. Good presentation skills involve not only the ability to convey information accurately, but also to capture the audience attention and maintain their interest throughout the presentation. A good presenter communicates his message in a clear and concise manner. He knows how to engage his audience by using various techniques such as asking questions, telling stories, and using humor. A good presenter is flexible and adaptable. He ends his presentation with a clear call to action or with a memorable quote that leaves a lasting impression on the audience. Now we will learn the various steps involved in presentation process. Number 1, define the purpose and objective of presentation. Number 2, understand your audience. Third, research and gather information. Fourth, create an outline. Fifth, design. Sixth, practice your delivery. Seventh, deliver your presentation. Eighth, evaluate the presentation. Now we will discuss each of these steps of presentation process one by one. And the first step is define the purpose and objective of presentation. Identify the purpose of your presentation and what objectives you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your presentation is relevant to your audience. You have also to select a topic. For example, the purpose of a presentation may be to persuade the audience to invest in a new product. The objective of the presentation may be to convince the audience that the new product is innovative and has significant market potential. Number 2, understand your audience. To create an effective presentation, you need to understand your audience needs, interests, and preferences. This will help you tailor your message to their expectations and engage them effectively. Suppose you are a salesperson and you have to give presentation to a group of small business owners. Your presentation is about a new software product. You learn that generally small business owners may be hesitant to invest in new technology. As small business owners may not understand the technical terms. Use simple language in presentation. Tell them not only about the features of the software, but also highlight how it can save the time and money of small business owners. Also use real-life examples of other small businesses who have successfully implemented the software. You include a question and answer session at the end of presentation to address any specific concerns or objections that the audience may have. Third, research and gather information. Once a topic is selected, the presenter needs to conduct research and gather relevant information and data to be used in presentation. Use credible sources such as academic journals, industry reports, or government publications. Suppose you are creating a presentation on the impact of social media on mental health. You can find relevant information from academic journals, books, government reports. You can conduct interviews with mental health experts, or you can do interviews of the individuals who have experienced mental health issues related to social media use. You can do survey of the people about their social media habits, their mental health, and their attitudes towards social media. When you do thorough research and gather information for a presentation, it is based on reliable data and evidence and is therefore more persuasive and impactful. Fourth, create an outline. Once the research has been completed, create an outline of your presentation, including the main points you want to cover and the supporting evidence, etc. Fifth, design. The next step is to design the presentation, which may involve creating slides or other visual aids to support the content. This may also involve selecting fonts, colors, and other design elements. Avoid using too many different fonts and stick to a maximum of 2 or 3 fonts throughout the presentation. Use high quality images, charts, and graphs to make the presentation visually more appealing and engaging. Make effective use of white space. 6. Practice your delivery. Practice your presentation several times to ensure that you are comfortable with the material and the delivery. This will help you reduce nervousness and deliver your presentation with confidence and clarity. By practicing your presentation, you can make sure that you do not run over or under your allotted time. With practice, you will be able to deliver more effective presentation, which can lead to better outcomes, whether it is closing a sale or persuading an audience to take action. 7th, deliver your presentation. On the day of the presentation, arrive early, set up your equipment, and deliver the presentation with confidence and enthusiasm. Speak clearly and make eye contact with your audience. Use humor where appropriate and ask questions to keep your audience engaged. 8. Evaluate the presentation. After the presentation, evaluate your performance. Gather feedback from your audience and use it to improve your future presentations. By following these steps, you can create and deliver an effective presentation that engages and persuades your audience. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, Please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.